A toot, a toot, a toot to the out, a toot, he blows it 8 to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar is playing rhythm. He makes the company jump when he plays reveille.
Yes, yes, I love you. I do.
Okay, then. Prove it. Show me where your wooden leg joins on.
No.
Oh, you just play me for a sucker.
No, it joins on at the knee. That's all, only at the knee. What do you want to know for?
Because it's what makes you so different. You ain't like anybody else. Show me how to put it off and on. See? Now I can do it myself.
Put it back on me now.
Not yet. Let's leave it off for a while. You got me instead.
Put it back on me now.
Wait a minute. Take a swing.
But aren't you good country people?
Yeah, but it ain't held me back none. I'm as good as you any day of the week.
Give me my leg.
What's the matter with you all of a sudden? Just a while ago you said you didn't believe in nothing. I thought you were some girl.
But you're supposed to be a Christian. A fine Christian. You're just like all the rest of them. You say one thing and do another.
I hope you don't think I believe in all that crap. I may be selling Bibles, but I know which end is up. And I wasn't born yesterday. And I know where I'm going.
Give me my leg.
I've gotten a lot of interesting things. One time I got a woman's glass eye this way. And you needn't think you'll catch me either, because Pointer ain't my actual name. I use a different name in every house I call that, and I don't stay nowhere long. And another thing, Holger, you ain't so smart. I've been believing in nothing ever since I was born.
He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, a blowing reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy of Company B. They made him blow a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down to